Hi, Michael, chiropractor here. What I want to speak with you about today is military neck. So military neck is a reference to when the neck, when viewed from the side, is straight. Now, did you know that a neck viewed from the side is not meant to be straight? The term military neck comes from the fact that in the military, you're taught to stand up very straight like that, and that would cause a straightening of the neck. But really, it's designed to be curved. Well, let me tell you something about the head. The head weighs about as much as a bowling ball. It's quite heavy. You know, the 4, 5, 6 kilograms. That's really heavy. So there's a reason why anatomy is structured in the correct way to not be military and straight, but to be curved. To just explain a bit further about that, let's have a little look at some x-rays, an example of a military or straight neck and a curved neck. And let's come back and have a look at this bowling ball and have a chat. So here we've got an example of a neck that's a military neck. So what you can see here is the bones are stacked on top of each other. This is the teeth, this is the back of the head. The bones are stacked directly on top of each other. So the weight of the head is coming straight down through these bones. Now let's have a look at the way that a neck's meant to be shaped and discuss the differences. So this here is a vastly different looking shaped neck. It's actually got an arc and a curve to it, and it surprises many people that a neck's designed to be like that when viewed from the side. But as I'm about to explain, it makes a lot of sense that it's shaped like this. This is the jaw, this is the back of the head, just a reminder, and it's got a nice curve. So let's discuss why it makes so much sense to have a neck that's curved like that rather than straight. So if our neck is shaped in a military manner, it's like this, with the eyes pointing that way. So the weight of the head, or the weight of that bowling ball, it's just distributed straight down through the neck. What that does over time is that creates a lot of compression through the joints and also into the disc. And then we start to have a much more likely to be degenerating or having premature arthritic changes, or even changes of arthritic nature that you may not need to have whatsoever if we maintained the lordosis. A lordosis is where it has that curve to it. So the curve shape there takes the weight of the head so much better because the shape, by its very nature, is more of a spring. There's more bounce to it. So the weight is distributed in a much more effective manner, almost like a spring-shaped weight distribution rather than a boom, 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 all the way down through the bones. So what implication does this have in daily life, or what should you think about? You should think about the fact that we need to maintain curve in our neck. So anything that straightens our neck by bringing us forward or making us look downwards is likely to straighten the neck. So you need to take into account your screen position, you need to take account your driving position, your general upright postural position, doing things where you understand that creating and maintaining a curve through your neck or a lordosis is far more preferable than having a military or straight shaped neck. It's a challenge, especially in today's day and age where stress levels are high, device use is high, computer time is high, but it is something that can be worked upon. It is something that you can improve with dedication and effort. I hope this information today has been useful to you. I hope you've understood it and maybe even learnt something new. If you have any questions or any comments, please do so. Please write them down. I'll do my best to get back to you. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great day and are healthy. Cheers.